Alright, today's daily, lead code 904, fruits into baskets. You're visiting a farm that has a single row of fruit trees arranged from left to right. The trees are represented by an integer array of fruits, where fruits of I is the type of fruit the ith tree produces. You want to collect as much fruit as possible, however the owner has some strict rules that you must follow. You have 2 baskets, and each basket can only hold a single type of fruit. There's no limit on the amount of fruit each basket can hold. Starting from any tree of your choice, you must pick exactly 1 fruit from every tree, including the start tree, while moving to the right. The picked fruits must fit in one of your baskets. Once you reach a tree with fruit that cannot fit in your baskets, you must stop. Given the integer array fruits, return the maximum numbers of fruits you can pick. I see. So basically what we're saying is we're trying to find a subarray within the biggest subarray. Task, find the biggest subarray fruit that contains 2 distinct elements, right? And because we're dealing with distinct elements and subarrays, leaning towards a sliding window that utilizes a hash table, where for each element we add, we check our hash table. If it breaks our unique element count, we slide our window forward until we remove all of a certain element. So let's say we have fruits A and B come across an element C. Okay, fruits will always be. Okay, so they give us a really simple thing. We could just hash it to. We could say each fruit goes to an index in array. Across an element C, we slide window back to min of index A, index B, right? Ideally. Okay, so int A is equal to first, okay. So how do I want to go about this? I'd also want int map equal new int fruit stat length. Honestly, we're using fruit stat. Why not? Let's see that. Bottom. Okay, but what if... Okay, hypothetically, what if they're the same? Like, what if it was 1-1, and then that kind of messes up. Does it though? Does it though? I mean, I guess what we could do is, let me say, we could say, if, fruits right does not equal A, then we'll say, B is equal to fruits right, and then index B is equal to right, break, and then for now let's just make sure, oh my kurwa, A, index A. Dun 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 dun. I had a teacher that marked me down for putting a break statement in a for loop or while loop, and I was like, why? Why did you do that? Is that really so bad? Right. Right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so it seems still working fine. And then we can say int res is equal to, like, I don't know, right, minus left plus left, right? And then we can say for right is less than n, right plus plus, let's say int c is equal to fruits, right? And I mean, shit. Da 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 da, bam 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 bam, bam 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 bam. Do I even need to use a hash map if I'm just keeping track of if I'm just keeping track of how do you say, the last previous two? Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, let's just... Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So like, if C is equal to A or C is equal to B, then we can just say shit. Fuck. C is equal to A, then this isn't gonna look pretty, but I don't have to do that. We'll just say if C is equal to A, then index A is equal to C. I mean, right. Else if C is equal to B, index B is equal to right. Else, then res is equal to math.max res. Then just right minus left, probably. Oh, it wouldn't even be this, it would be max, right? Wait a minute. Dun, dun, dun. No, I wouldn't want to do this. Ooh, I would not want to do this. Okay, wait. If C does not equal A, or C does not equal B, right? So our current window is 2, then we get it here. It does not equal either of those. So res is equal, so it's just gonna be the same thing. Yeah, it should be the same thing. And then how do we choose to move it up? We'd want to choose... Well, we'd have to choose the element that's farther up, right? We'd have to go here. Yes, I believe so. Okay, but if it was 1, 0, 1, 2, I would... What if it was 1, 0, 1, 0, 2? I would still do it to 0. The last... Damn it. Okay, but not that though, because if it was like if there's if it was like 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, there's a 1 here. I'd need to move it to 0, but not this 0. I'd want it to move to this 0. So what am I actually doing here? I'm moving left to the... Huh. Shit. For goodness sake, let's just add a 0 to this, so we know it's... And I want to make this a test case as well. So this is obviously the ideal thing. Or maybe I don't even need to cheat this, I just need to do it. Maybe I should think about this as using the hash table to shrink it. Although, I could... Maybe I could use the hash table to know how far to shrink. Okay, so I'm here, and I can expand all the way to here. And my left would be here, and I'd move left until... And I'm given the assumption that I'm only dealing with 3 distinct Ds here. Three distincts. And I know it's 3 distincts because, like, this would have a count of 0 at that point. So we could just say while map of left maybe minus left is greater than 0. Could I do that? Okay. So, okay, I'm gonna like cache this, I guess. Let's start over. Like from about here. And then we can say 0 int right equals 0 for int right. Well, not right. Right. Okay, let's just say int right equals 0 right is this right plus plus. And then let's just say int c is equal to fruits right. Now if we say if map of c++ is equal to 0, then we need to do this thing. Then we need to say res is equal to math dot max right minus left res. Otherwise, while map of fruits left minus minus is greater than 0, then we just say left plus plus. Yes. Otherwise, do we just keep going? Oh yeah. What the fuck? Okay. 9? Why is it 9? Oh yeah, because of this. Oh wait, I'm slow. Okay. 1. Okay. Let's just say map fruits. Is that better? Would that? Da, ba, 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 da. Oh, not greater than 0, greater than 1. Great. I don't know. +1. Okay, wait. Just, yeah. Oh, shit. Okay. What? Oh, shit. Okay. It's counting the entire array when it really shouldn't. Right. Okay, let's just... Okay. Ah, fuck. God! Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. So we can do 4. And then we'd slide up to here. 2. Slide up to here. 3. And 4. Where the biggest one appears to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How the hell are you getting 7? Kuroa. Okay, so let's just do a drive run. We start here. C is equal to that. Ooh, that's assuming we have a new right element. Right! Right. Right. Course. Course. How would I fix that? I don't know. I don't know. Could we just do count equals 0? Interesting. Ba-dum, 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 dun-dun-dun. Oh, shit. Okay, that was dumb. I don't know why that would work. So what is it doing? It's saying C++, and now C is 1, and then now, well, no. Okay, this. Well, no, that wouldn't even be true. We'd go here, and then it would say C, and while left, and then shrink it all the way down. Which, I guess in this case, it's bad, but we shouldn't be doing that in the first place. Yeah. What? What? Why did my computer just come? My fucking monitor turned off. Okay. Wait, what the fuck? Why am I... Was that there before? Oh, oh my god. Okay. Nearly? It's all off by 1. That is fantastic. This is fantastic, dude. Yeah. dumb. I'm dumb. Wait a minute. Why didn't it even print it? What are you for? This is awesome, dude. How'd you get 4? It's not even. So it's not even printing anything, which is what scares me. Right minus left. Right would be equal to n at this point, minus 0 plus 1. So 3 minus 0 plus 1 is 4, so it just terminated. So if we initially start with 0, we'd want it to go 1, check if it's greater than 2. Okay, now it's 2. It's not yet greater than 2. Yeah, except it doesn't like when I do that. Which appears to be the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, just. Alright, that's great. If we go here, C is equal to 1, map of C plus plus. We get our new unique, and count plus plus is not greater than 2 yet, it's just 1. It's 0, so add 1. Then we come across our second unique 2, and we go here. And now, if map of C is equal to 1, it is not, and count plus plus is greater than 2. So maybe this doesn't need to belong here. We go here, and it's 4. Maybe this doesn't belong here. Have you ever considered that, huh? No? Okay. It's considering the entire thing. So C is 0, here it's 1. Okay. So count at this point would be 2, and it wouldn't trigger anything. So the number of unique elements here would now be 3. And this is a new element. We're not printing out. Res is equal to math.max right minus left. That would be here minus here. Or, well, here to here. And while left is less than right, and map of fruits left is greater than 0. Map of fruits left plus plus minus minus. So we're looking at this now. Oh, and then we would shift it to here, looking at just 2. It doesn't even enter this though, why? Am I overlooking something dumb? No, reduce it. Right. So we'd go here, here, and then here, while left is less than right, and we're gonna decrement this first, and then that would mean fruits left is now 0, and then left plus plus. So now we're looking at this, and then we'd go here, I don't know, man. Kurwa. So I want to start from here and then go until I reach an element that's not. So I do that using the count thing. And then until I can fully remove one distinct element. So while this, right? Minus minus map fruits of left is greater. And by this logic, we shouldn't need this even. So we should know if our code is bad. It's a false net. Yes. So. Like, I don't know, man. Would it make any difference if we said count plus plus? So we have 1, now we have 2. Weird, but okay. And we don't even, and then count is 3. And then left would be here. It doesn't even enter this, why? Oh, okay. Is that what? See, I wanted to get to 1 that's equal to 1 and then break. So I don't know. So if map, there's probably a better way to write this, but really. Ah, shit, wait. Fuck. We want to get to the first element we can totally zero out. So like, really? Sliding window, but really shitty time complexity. Okay, well, you know what? We solved it. What is that? 40, 50 minutes? Jesus. Okay, well, you know what? Whatever. Was that probably ON squared time complexity? Yeah, probably. But I mean, let's see what the, okay, use a map. And then, well, okay. Map dot put. Okay, maybe I should just use a hash map instead of trying to be smart like this. Which, it's very weird. Look at this distribution though. Do you see this? Usually the distribution looks like this, especially for a daily, but guess not. Okay, bye.